around. So I'm going to wait for you guys to join us to do something really interesting. So as soon as you guys join, I'm just going to start doing some live trading. All right. Let's see who we got. All right. All right. Let's see. Probably takes a bit until everyone get to know that we are live and just join us. But as soon as this happens, we can start. All right, let's get back. Let's share the link here and let's share the link here and also let's share the link here and also let's share the link over there. Where is it? All right. All right. Let's see who's there and who's not there. So, all right, we got 7 guys now. So we wait a little bit for more guys to come and join us. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start making some futures positions. You probably can see how I do it. Unfortunately, Australia banned all the futures on the Binance. So the only way I can do it is do it on the test net, which doesn't make too much difference. It's exactly same as making position in the real Binance. And we're going to do some trading. Let's see what is good in the market to buy. So let's start with the BTC. See where is BTC now. Okay, not XVJ. Let's see BTC USDT. So okay, BTC doing exactly as I thought. So last day when we talked, you remember that. Look, if you look at the week, it is how I just predicted on the other prediction. You see, I said it's gonna fall off this trend line. It did exactly fall off the trend line. I said it's gonna come back over the trend line. You see it come back over the trend line. Then I see it's gonna have another hit. And look, we had that hit. So yeah, if let me just move this a bit forward and you see how accurate this happens. Come down, get back on top of the trend line, and now hit back close to the trend. So yeah, just fucking pretty accurate. I like it. I like the way it works, and we're gonna continue on that. So let's just get rid of the things and almost everything. So what are we gonna do? How are we gonna do the trade? We're gonna use few simple indicators, and we're going to check the market, obviously the levels. So first one I'm going to use Bollinger Bands, obviously my favorite one. So this is 4 hours. We are not going to trade on a 4 hours. Obviously, we're going to go for 14 minutes. What has happened in the 14 minutes? The candle get out, the candle get in, now short. Time for the short, it's coming down. It's in the center. I'm not going to trade BTC right now, not in this one. Let's go shorter time frame. Let's check it in 5 minutes. In the 5 minutes, it's a little bit better. You see, it's get out. It's right on the south side of it. So probably we can go a little bit long on the BTC in a 5 minutes time frame. All right. So let's open a trade. So we go here, BTC USDT. Obviously, we're going to go buy long. Size. We're going to go for probably half a BTC in total. And what's the leverage? Let's see. We go market, we go, this is the size, and no, not 55. We obviously we're going to bring the leverage down to 25, confirm. Leverage is 25, and now we're going to go with half a BTC. size. One BTC. All right. Okay, let's open up the trade, the marketplace. Buy long. All right, order submitted. Order here. All right, we just entered at 61,756, and this is how we go. So it is a long position. 62. I don't know why the PNL is negative, but we are going up. So this is with the BTC first. So we opened up the position in a long, and our entry position is 61,756. So we opened up the first position with the Bitcoin. So let's wait and see what's happening. Obviously here we have the 5 minutes one. So I want to make it smaller, and we have to wait to see how does this react from there going up. So all right, good luck. Now we are $10 in profit, $5 down, but don't worry, it's gonna be okay. So next one, let's see which one we're gonna check. Let's go and see the Mana's position. I'm pretty bullish on Mana. Let's see if it's a good time to open a position on Mana. In 4 hours, it is pretty bullish. Check it in 1 hour, still pretty bullish. We go up, check it in 15 minutes. It is pretty bullish. So let's take a look at the Bollinger Band. Let's see what Bollinger Band telling us. Here we go. Yeah, it's get out of the Bollinger Band. So beautiful. We are not going to trade here. It's get out of it, okay? We are going to wait for the first red candle to come back inside the Bollinger, and then we're going to short Mana. So Mana, good one for a short. Just keep it in your mind. Let's go to the sand. What do we have with the sand? 4 hours. Pretty. I'm neutral on the sand on the 4 hours. Let's see what's gonna be like. Okay. Shorter time frame. We take a look at 1 hour. In a 1 hour, it's not too bad actually with this candle going up. So let's see it in the. Let's put a Bollinger Band around it. All right. Bollinger Band is just getting tight and tighten. All right. So it is not a good place for doing the position. It was good if we bought it here, but right now, no, I'm not going to open position on the sand right now. So let's go. Don't worry about it. Text Shiba. Okay. Shiba. What do we have on the Shiba? All right, guys. Let's see. For the ones who joined us right now, I have to tell you, we opened the position on a BTC, which is right now $43 in profit. Okay, 1% up, not too bad. So we are going to see Shiba to see if it's a good time. In the 4 hours, it looks like not too bad. It looks like going up, and it is on the top. So that was 1 hour. Sorry. Let's go to 15 minutes on the Shiba. What do we have on the Shiba? Okay, let's take a look. We are using Bollinger Band to see where is the price. You can see price hit the top, then get back. I'm going to take Shiba short. So let's go here. We go up the. So let's change this to Shiba. So I think we have to put it 1000 SHIB because that's future. 1000 SHIB USDT. 1000 SHIB USDT. And we're going to open a short position on it. The size, we are going to put this much, 25%. Market, all good. Sell short. All right. We open the short position on the Shiba if it worked. No, still haven't had it. What's gone wrong? So X20 Shiba buy. We're gonna buy 100 million Shiba. Actually, we're gonna sell 100 million Shiba. So sell token. What's that? The contemporary. What's the error? Best price does not match. What does that mean? So we're doing the limit on the Shiba. Then let's do it market. So 0.7 available this much. All right. Okay. So let's go 1/3 of it. Again, the contemporary price does not meet percent price filter. I don't know what's wrong with that, but it doesn't let us to open a position on Shiba, which is not really good. I don't know why. Really, it is the cross position. Let's change this, reduce the amount to 10%. Let's see. No, still doesn't let us. I don't know. I don't know. Something's wrong with the testnet. So it doesn't let us to open a position on the Shiba. So we are not going to waste our time on the Shiba. Let's go take another look. Let's see Uni. All right. Uni looks like get under it and now just made another good candle up. We're going to take a look at the 1 hour candle. In the 1 hour candle, what we can see, it looks like it's a rejection candle because we have a shooting star here. So 15 minutes. What do we see? Alrighty, let's put Bollinger Band around it, obviously. Okay, yeah, it's get out of the Bollinger Band. Definitely Uni is a good call to go short on it, probably from there to here. Not a very fantastic risk to rewards, but it's not too bad. Better than nothing. So let's go Uni. Uni, USDT. Okay, let's see. Let's see if we can go like that. Short. Again, why for the short positions we have this problem? I don't know why it doesn't open up any short positions. TP, start market, take profit. We don't need that. Something doesn't make sense. No, we don't want to do the transfer. We have 7,600 and Uni 35%. Uni, okay, Uni, US Uni size 25% short. Again, same problem. I really don't know why Binance doesn't like us to actually open any short position at the moment. But if we take a look at it here, a long position is not too bad. It's $40 in profit, 1.66%. And what's the problem with Uni? Interesting. I didn't expect that, to be honest. I was expecting to see something more interesting. And then what do we got? This is the range. Uni USDT. I'm pretty sure choose the right one, but and it's $25. So size, if we put a size, rather make this 0, put the size is not percentage, but 100 unit. So no, again, same things. All right, apparently we only can do longs. So with the BNB, I'm still short on the BNB too. It hit the top of it. Why we can't open a short position somewhere? Best price does not. Okay, maybe we should have do some changes here. All right, let's change it from market to limit. Huh? Market chart depths, no. Position order. Unimax for this visited site. All right, that's pretty bad, which we can't actually do any position live on the short, but let's go take a look at the market. Let's see what else we have. All right, let's open it up here. We have EOS. Let's take a look at the EOS. Let's EOS USDT. We want to see if we are going to make any long position or not. This is in 4 hours. Let's go shorter time frame, 15 minutes. Is that a good time to buy long? I think it's a good time actually to buy long because of, obviously because of this first, and secondly, Bollinger Band. Yeah, it is somewhere close. I'm gonna open up a long position on EOS. So let's go EOS, USDT. All right, so we're gonna go buy. We're gonna go 25%, buy long, market price. Again, same problem. I don't know why this makes such a issue. No, so let's use a limit position. USDT last size 4.8. We put the price as 4.799. Size of the US, we put 25% buy long. Order submitted. So let's see, open orders. All right, we have an open order for buying the EOS. So let's see if the orders get filled. So it should get filled soon. So candles, and I don't know what exactly happening to the Binance, but the Binance testnet doesn't really look like very interesting. Okay, now it's better. So around 4.8. I think there is something wrong with the Binance testnet, but anyway, we just put our order. We're going to wait to see if the order get filled or not. Right now we have one order and one position. The position we have is on the Bitcoin, which is still green, and the order we are waiting to get filled. So let's take a look at the other coins. Let's take a look at the other coins. Like, let's see if we can open up a position on Mana. Mana USDT. All right, we got Mana here. Let's see how's Mana look. Okay, Mana, I think it's time to go short. As soon as we see a red candle here, I'm gonna start selling Mana in a 15 minutes time frame. Not much left to this candle get closed, but just remember, never ever enter before you see a red candle closed inside the Bollinger Band. Okay, so that's one of the most important things. And in regards to the sand, still at the same price, but don't worry about the 1 hour. Let's see. All right, sand, it's a good case. You see, sand, you can go short. Let's just put an order for sand short. We go here, sand USDT. All right, we're gonna go short on the sand. So let's put a limit 2.7, and we're gonna go 2.69. We're gonna make it this much, and we're gonna sell sand. All right, order submitted. So now we got a second order. All right, okay. The orders we have, we put one short order for sand, one long order for EOS, and we have still our position on the BTC, which is, let's take a look how BTC move. All right, BTC moving like this in a 5 minutes chart. So still don't worry. So what do we do here in the cases like this when it moves like that? We just need to ensure putting the stop loss lower than this. So if we want to trade this, we put a stop loss somewhere close to here, which is 61,400, a little bit less than 400. And we're going to put a target somewhere like 62,200. All right. So let's put our target and stops here. So here we go. So market limit. All right. So let's ensure we get our targets right. All right. It should have given us the opportunity to positions 100%. All right. Still didn't hit our orders. So 2 orders is still waiting to get filled. Let's go to the market and see what else we can buy or sell. C98. So let's go take a look at the C98. Sorry, let's remove this. Okay. Let's change the time frame to 15 minutes. And C98, it looks pretty good place to go long, but let's check it with the Bollinger Band. Yeah, it is actually. You can see it's gone up, coming down, going up, coming down, and it's just right on the Fibonacci level. So I'm more towards going long on a C98. Let's see if it's let us do long on C98. At USDT. Okay, how much we're gonna go? So we're gonna put an order on it as 3.8. The size. We're gonna go. What's the price? Let's go 1,000. All right, buy long, and the order created. So we have 3 orders now waiting to get filled, and 1 position on BTC, which is $100 in profit now. We're gonna keep the BTC ones. Now it's going down $17 negative, but that's okay. It's coming back. It will come back. So again, let's take a look at the BTC. Another 5 minutes candle, and it might even go down again up to here and then coming up, which is still fine. All right, what else we got here? We check LTC. So let's see. In the longer time frame, LTC is pretty bullish. You can see regain the OMA. You can see just had this movement over the OMA, just touched the OMA, and now it's time to fly up. That's a longer time frame, but we're going to take a look at the shorter time frame. Obviously, in the 1 hour time frame, you can see come down, touch here, and get back here. So now we just need to break this resistance here to go up. 15 minutes. What do we got? Very, very interesting. And let's go back here. Where is our Bollinger Band? Here we go. All right on the center of Bollinger Band. So coming back from the top, not in a good place in 15 minutes to open any position, but how does that look like in a 5 minutes? I think in a 5 minutes, if we buy somewhere close to here, it's going to be a very good place to buy. So 198, it's a buying zone. So let's get back here, see what we can do with LTC. All right. LTC USDT. LTC USDT. So we're going to buy. We're going to put the price at 198. And how many are we going to buy? All right. So let's buy 10 with the target of 20. Let's make it 100. All right. Let's buy All right, we put an order for that one for sure. So we have 4 orders waiting to get filled, and we are having the BTC open position, which is $6 negative, which is fine. Still pretty soon. BNB, obviously, I told you I'm not really positive on the BNB, but what we're going to do, we're going to check it on a shorter time frame to see how we're going to buy or sell. You see, it's definitely hitting the top. This candle combination is telling us BNB going down. So what am I doing is, let's just check it on the Bollinger Band. Yeah, here we go. Up, 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 getting up. Now start coming down. So I'm gonna go do BNB short. So let's go here. BNB USDT on 663. Right now on $663, I'm gonna make a short. I'm gonna make it uh it's leverage 45. So I'm gonna make it 50 BNB and I'm gonna sell short. All right, it's created the order. So the fifth order is obviously BNB short, which is at 663. I hope the test net of the Binance works well, so we see some of these orders at least hit. I don't think it led us to just do it in a market on the BNB, but let's try. No, yeah, it did work actually. It did work on the BNB short. So what am I going to do? I'm going to remove our BNB position. So I'm going to actually, that's interesting. How can I actually cancel that? Jesus, it's a very long time I haven't worked with that. So nope, I can't cancel it. So leave that to be. Let's get back to the other positions. LTC long. All right, maybe we can do it now. So LTC, let's see if we can get it now. LTC USDT. So we wanted to buy long. So let's see if we can buy some LTC long. Yep, we got it. So that was a glitch on the system. So now we have 3 positions. You can see we are $100 in profit in BTC. We are $5 in profit in BNB, and we just opened the LTC, so we have to wait and see what's going on. Yeah, these are working for now. And let's just transfer the orders as well. The other orders, we have the C98, which we want to buy it on a long. So C98, C98. We're gonna buy some. Leverage 20. We're gonna do this. Buy some. No, it didn't work. Interesting again. It stopped working. So if we go a little bit less, no, it's not working. So probably it's the same glitch. But the point is now we have a 3 position on the BTC, BNB, and LTC. And let's get back to the market and check the market. Maybe we can find out some other good positions to open up. So feel obviously it just gone up, come down. Probably it looks like in the 4 hours it's still gonna go down because the formattation of the candle, this candle and this candle, they're definitely going down. But this green one, which is still have 5 minutes to be closed on 5 hour, looks pretty interesting, but I don't want to trust that. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. In 1 hour, as a matter of fact, it tells us it's going to go up. You see, it comes down, and in 1 hour, it is actually bullish. But don't forget that we have a big resistance here. So it is a hard area to pass. Let's go to the shorter time frame, 15 minutes. This is the 15 minutes time frame. Let's use the Bollinger Band, see what Bollinger Band telling us. Alrighty. All right. Bollinger Band, it looks pretty much going up. Bad place to buy. You are not going to enter in this candle. So in 15 hours, neither short nor the long, they don't look like very interesting buy or sell for me at this stage for sure. Let's get back to the uni. I was interested into making some short positions on the uni. Sorry, remove this, get back to this, and all right. Let's use some other indicators. Let's use divergence for many indicator. In the 15 minutes, definitely you can see the divergence happen. So it's going to go down. So we can probably count on a uni to go lower than where it is, but probably higher than previous high. So probably we can go short from here to here. It's not a very good move to do because it's going up and we don't open up the position against the trend. So I'm not going to open up the position on the uni at the moment. Let's leave the uni back. Let's get back here to see what else we have. Oh, interesting. All three positions are green. That's how it works. We have one short, two long, and all three of them in profit. Not too bad, really. To start, guys, if I just need to tell you something about how it works. As I told you, I decided to do some crazy things. Normally, the analysts and the people who are doing the TA don't do this sort of stuff because you know the market, things might go wrong. You might ruin your reputation. You might just open a position, goes totally wrong, and then no one trusts you. But it is fun, to be honest, when you're doing stuff live and people seeing how you really trade in a short time frame, which is very stressful. It's not very stressful for me because I'm doing it on a test net. Don't swear on me. It's not because I'm afraid I lose money. It's just because Australia banned all the futures on the Binance, so I don't have any other chance to show you how to do the future calls on a Binance rather than just doing it on a test net. And obviously, the good things about it probably is, still I can show you how to open up a positions and close the positions and how you use combination of the indicators, trend lines, and everything in a very short time frame to do some sort of scalping. But on the other hand, the problem is I'm not really handy with the Binance testnet, so I haven't used it a lot. Actually, I never used it before, so probably this is the second time I'm using it. The first time I used it to see how it works, so I can have this session with you guys, and this is the actually first time I'm trying to using it, and it looks very similar to the Binance, but we will see how it works. Okay, I need some coins. I need to check some more coins. So let's see what else we have here. XRP. Let's see how XRP works. Let's go here. Let's see XRP USDT. Maybe we can make a position. Wow, XRP gone out, breaking out, guys. Congratulations, whoever got XRP. So on a 15 minutes time, it is going out. So yeah, we missed the time frame. It is keep going. So yeah. What do we do with that? The candle like this, how are we going to trade it? The point is that we don't trade this. We wait for it until we see the red candle coming back and then we short it. So we're not going to go long on this candle like this. So, but we keep an eye on it. As soon as we saw the red candle coming back, red candle closes inside the Bollinger Band, then we go short. So interesting timing with XRP. So if you have XRP, you should be happy because it's break out of the resistance, major resistance too. So if you really want to invest in XRP outside this all fancy works and funny things we do here, you can get back to it after the retest on this line and when it's going to go up. So XRP wasn't good for trading right now, so we're gonna go find something else. What else we're going to? Oh, TRX. TRX. Do we have TRX here? Let's see. Yeah, let's check TRX. One of my favorite ones. C98 and US. Let's open another one. Let's go wild. All right. I know it is super boring for some of you guys to just wait and watch the trade happening, but there are a lot to learn from it. Okay. TRX USDT. If you don't know how to open up a position, then you're never gonna get yourself in the right position. TRX is pretty much in a short time frame similar to XRP. You see XRP is still keep going. You see how it's getting out of this. This is the bullish movement. So if you wanted to get in, you should have probably get in here when the price hit the center line and just use it from 117 to 118. Anyway, we missed that. So not something which I do really care. BTC, you can see BTC going up. Woohoo! You know, we entered here. Now it's going up. Let's see how that trades look like. So let's go down. Yeah. $250 in profit in the BTC. Our BNB short is not really look good, but in total, $250, $50 here, and that's $300. So how are we going to close this? The funny thing is, I don't know how to close it. So not close all these ones. So obviously it should be a way that we could actually position, close all positions. No, we don't want to close all positions. Limit, market. How can I close this? 203, 196. Okay, market. All right, I closed that one and I closed this one. So I sold them in the market. So the only one left is BTC. So technically, we made $250 and I get out of the positions. And the only one left is my BNB short, which is $3 negative. That's good. So it is 37 minutes. We are in. Instead, now it's $26 positive. So I'm gonna actually close this one as well. So all three positions closed. 37 minutes, and we made something like $330. So that's how you work. So if you're really into scalping and getting your position right, this is how it works. So we use Bollinger Band, we use trend line, we use the movement and the sense of the positions we have about the market. And in 37 minutes, we made $300. So I think wasn't too bad. To be honest, the leverage which I used was quite savage. I used leverage 45, and obviously I didn't have any stress because I was using the what do you call? I was using the test net. Look, we closed here. Interesting. We closed it and then price coming down. That's what I'm telling you. You get this with experience. All right. I'm not saying it's not going to go higher, but we closed the position right on 62,000 and now it's 61,900. It's gonna go up, don't worry. But if you want to take the most out of your scalping and futures, you have to be mindful about the numbers. What numbers? Always the round numbers, like 62,000. There is a lot of selling points around it. Okay, so when you hit the 62,000 or something close to it, you are not going to pass it at the first time. It's going to struggle, going to go up and down a little bit. So if you want to take profit and get out of the position when you do scalping, you just take it right after it passed 62. So let's make this 1 minute, okay? Let's see what's happening in 1 minute. Look at this. Look at this. In 1 minute, we actually entered somewhere close to here. It was 61,700 or 600. We entered here. It gone up. It coming down. It gone up, it coming down, it gone up, and we just get out of the position at 62,005, where exactly these big candles happen, and get out of it. And then before this big candle bring it down into inside the Bollinger Band, we just get out of it. So I never ever ask you guys to trade like this. This is a very risky, very dangerous trade, but this is a way some of the professional people do trade. They make good money, but obviously there is not always making money. There is always losing money too. So if you want to do that, don't forget to put your stop loss. Don't forget to just put your target close enough. You see, you can get, we got, I think with the money we put in the test net, we made something like 10% profit in 30 minutes, which is still huge, but it's something need a concentration, need a lot of time. Sometimes it doesn't go the way you want. This time it did. We had a short, one short position and two long position, and we took profit out of all of them. Be mindful of that. You don't need to always have all of your positions long or all of positions short. You can go each way you want based on the different coins, obviously based on where they are. And when you do scalping, it's totally different from when you do buying for a spot or doing this sort of stuff. So Bollinger Band is a very helpful actually tool if you know how to use it, but you need to remember Bollinger Band is probably the worst tool when it comes to the parabolic movement or the impulses in a wave tree. So when it keeps going up and up and up, you just wait for it to come inside and going down, which is not happening. So you have to be careful about the market. So when the market is going to do some parabolic move, do not use Bollinger Band. There are other tools you can use, but when the market is ranging, like what we are seeing right now, something between 60 to 64, BTC moving up and down, probably it's the best time that you can do some sort of scalping using Bollinger Band, using the divergence for many indicators like this one, and you purely gonna see something interesting. You see the divergence, hint CCI. So it's when it shows this, it tell you it's gonna go down, and it's gonna go down. It's just get this big candle, even in a 1 minute, which so many people say it's like a suicide to make a decision on a 1 minute candle, but it still works. So here again, you can see we had a MOM, VW MACD, and both telling you that the price is going to go down, and price going down actually here. Not much, when you take a look at it, you see it goes from 61,800 to 61,700 something, probably $200 price going down. But if you're a scalper and you are going to some crazy leverage like 100 with a huge amount of money, even with a 2-3 candle, you can make a few $100. So that's how it works. I hope you enjoyed this session which we had. It was quite different from normal market update, but I try to just combine a few different skills in opening future positions and doing it live in front of you guys. And yeah, I know I risk it that it might just turn to shit, but thanks God it didn't. So it was pretty okay. We just turned out to open 3 positions because of obviously the time. We don't want to stay live for 5 hours, 6 hours to just open 20 position. But based on my experience, one day I opened something like 180 positions, something close to 200 positions. I kept all of them open with a very good actually win rate of, I think, out of 180 or 200, we just get something like 5 of them hit the stop loss and the other ones hit the target. So that was amazing day for me, but it's a lot of stress, a lot of concentration, and a lot of skill. And you can see again, I'm telling you, we closed the position here and now the price is here. So that's the skill you need. The skill to know Opening the position is always easy. You can open the position anytime you want, okay? But closing the position is always more critical than opening a position. So keep it in your mind. You can open any position, short, long, whatever. The market can go anywhere. But knowing when to close the position and when just take profit out is the most important skill you're really going to need in your future if you're going to be a good trader. So again, if you take a look at this, you can see it in the 15 minutes when we actually entered the position. The price was somewhere like this, and we just closed it somewhere like this. Yeah, if we had a time like 5 6 hours, we could leave it to go. In regards to the BNB, which we closed it, you can see start going down. So that's what I'm telling you. So we actually opened the position. This is 1 hour. So if I just go shorter time frame in 15 minutes, you're going to see it's going down. We opened it a short position right there, and now it's here. So we opened it at 662.3, and now it's 660. So $3 gone down with a leverage of something like 20 or 30. Still, it could have given us something like $100, but I closed the position anyway. But this telling you that we've been right in guessing the direction of the market, and BNB most likely going to go down. That was it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We are going to do more of these crazy things in future together. I really do like you guys. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget our sponsor Lustcoins, who is helping us to just having these sessions more often for you guys. And the price is, surprisingly still cheap. So if you want to buy, don't lose the opportunity and support them so they can support us. Thank you, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the session, even though it was short. One day, I promise you, one day, if I have time, we're going to sit together for 6 hours and we're going to keep trading together for 6 hours. But I really need you guys to commit to be with me for 6 hours. And I'm going to do trading for you for 6 hours. So I'm going to show you more tricks, more than just using Bollinger Band and, uh, divergences. Probably we're going to go and work with RSI. We're going to work with Phoenix. We're going to work with MACD. We are going to use Ichimoku clothes, and we are going to use so many other indicators together. But yeah, I need some commitment from you guys that you have a free time and you can sit with me for 6 hours so we can go and do more trading. Thank you, everyone. I hope you enjoy this. And yeah, you see, BNB keep going down. 659 now. That's it. Have a lovely night, guys. Catch you later. Cheers.